Canva is a gift that keeps on giving, and it's not different with this tool. Its latest one is converting text to an image or a picture. And I've been playing around with this tool, getting different kinds of results. Some of them are not that great, but it is better. Let me show you how to create text to image. First, you're going to go to your Canva and you're going to scroll to your apps and you're going to click on the ellipsis or the three dots. And it is pro and free tool. So you just select create text to image and then it opens up the app. So you need to describe exactly what you want the image to have. And they've given us an example of a panda or a light watercolor painting, koi fish in a pond, and then they also give us styles that you could choose to have the image come out as. So let's try Iron Man and see what happens. So you then decide the style that you want. You can choose surprise me, a photo, a drawing, 3D, or a painting. So we're going to ask them to surprise us and generate an image for us. Okay, so we can use Iron Man. Let's try Iron Man flying in a city. So it didn't like Avengers. Then you'll try it and see what comes out. It's as easy as that. I love this one. Oh my goodness, that looks so cool. And then I'm gonna click on it once and then it would add it to our canvas and you can set it as a background and it looks just as cool and amazing as that. And all you do, you carry on and you download the format that you want to download, and that is how you use the new text to image AI tool that Canva has rolled out. We do have a Canva course that you could learn beginning to end on Canva on learnwithza.com. I will see you on the next video.